Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about marriage and the reasons to get married. So I feel the reasons to get married is if you want to have a family. Now, choosing the right partner is very, very important for marriage. Most people jump into marriage based just on the excitement of the sex, the immediate moment, the feelings, impulsiveness, and those are all the wrong reasons to jump into marriage. I did a video some time ago regarding vetting a partner. You guys should watch that video. Again, marriage is a legal contract. So anytime you get married officially, then it becomes a legal contract. So that means that all your assets, whether it's a woman or a man, is split among each other. So you guys become one. And you always have to keep that in mind as well. So again, picking the right partner is very, very important. Nobody should jump into marriage just on a whim, just because something feels right. You have to have self-control over yourself and not make decisions based on an impulsive nature. So dating somebody for some time, hanging out with their friends, their family, get to know them very well. Again, there's no guarantees in anything in life. I don't care how you vet. The whole idea is about minimizing your risks in life and fulfilling your life missions and purpose in regards of having a family, being with the right person, because marriage is work, having a partner is work, period. And you have to continuously work on a partnership. And a marriage is particularly very difficult for both male and female. So when you do get married, you have to still constantly date each other and still have that same spontaneity that you had initially when you met to keep things alive. Because when we're all involved with the daily grind in life, that can deter us from our partners. We take each other for granted and we start looking at other directions in life. So that's very, very important. And keeping in mind, of course, vetting a partner properly, spending some time with them, taking long vacations with them. You want to see how each other reacts in certain situations. It tells you a lot of information about them as well. We live in a total different world than we did 20, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, 50 years ago. So it's important that this person that you choose has similar beliefs, value systems, and wants and needs in life. It has to be similar. So this all helps to just minimize any problems in the future that you may have. And when you bring children into this world with that partner as well, there's a lot of challenges in bringing children into this world. So again, it's all about enduring these challenges together and having the right partner to do these challenges together. Finances are very important. Again, having somebody that has their finances together, that is mentally, spiritually, physically in balance, similar to you are, this is very, very important. And always remember, this goes for both men and women. You can't fix anybody. That person that comes into your life has to come into your life and complement you. And you don't want to get involved with anybody that you have to fix or repair. You see that a lot with so many women. They want to rescue a guy or fix a guy. They like a guy that has some problems that they can fix. You're wasting the greatest times of your life, ladies, when you're doing that. And men too, Captain Saberho, right? There's so many of these beautiful, sexy, problematic women out there, and you guys want to rescue them, fix them. That all you get is problems with them. And I've seen that time over and time over. All the problems these guys have. And I've seen it with some of my friends that tried to rescue some of these very hot, beautiful women. And they end up being BPD or a bunch of other issues. They're not financially together. They come from families that have a lot of issues, of course. And life being so short, you want to choose a partner, again, that has the same mission, purpose in life, have the similar value systems in life. Despite what you hear out there, because there's a lot of noise out there. You want somebody that matches you as much as possible to minimize potential problems in your relationship. So if you're to choose a partner, you always want to meet the family, see how the partners get along in the families. For you guys choosing women, see how the gal gets along with her family, her dad, her father. It's very important how she respects her father, because in any relationship, and I'm a firm believer of this, first comes respect, then comes love. Love is well overrated in our world, particularly here in the USA. Love is just thrown out like loose change. So what's important first is somebody that respects you, then love automatically spins around that and becomes a part of the fundamentals of the relationship as well. Again, vetting each other, hanging out with each other's families, seeing how each other reacts in certain type of situations. This is what you want to look for. Not that the sex was so fucking fantastic, whether he laid the pipe down well or gave you some great oral sex, or vice versa, man, you know? So you have to look beyond your sexual needs and look for some more substance in a relationship, something that's solid, somebody that has a solid history of accomplishments, achievements. This shows that there's potential for consistency, because what is relationship? A long-term relationship, marriage. It's repetitiveness and consistency. So you have to be consistent to achieve a robust, a relationship with growth, a family with growth. So very, very important to look at these aspects before you just jump into marriage. Marriage can work. Again, it's a legal contract. I don't recommend it. It's not for me. You can be in a long-term relationship without getting married and be with a partner long-term for similar reasons as well, but some people still want to get married. So these are the areas you should look at before you decide to get married. Again, it's a legal contract, again, so that which allows the system to get involved if you guys ever decide to split up. And if that relationship does go south, then your finances will be split apart. So if one is more financially strong than the other, you will be splitting all your finances with that one person. So you always have to keep that in mind. So you should choose somebody that is in balance with you. Again, financially, it's very, very important that you do so. Again, it is all about numbers. It's not part of the romantic part of a relationship, but you have to be real, right? Be realistic in what truly it comes down to, because the bottom line, if a relationship does go south, it becomes about numbers in the court system. Who gets what? So, you know, all that sugar and spice and all nice is thrown out the window suddenly, and you're just kind of like mesmerized. Well, you thought, oh, she would never do, or he would never do something like this. Well, wake up, you guys. This is the real world we live in. So choose somebody that's in balance with you. Very, very important. Vet them out with family, friends. I mean, it's a process, you guys. It's a process. Now, what does this do? It doesn't guarantee a goddamn thing, but what it does is it minimizes risks. Minimizes your risks for potential problems in a relationship. Again, don't marry somebody for promises, for potentiality, oh, their potential, he or she. You have to go for what they are now. That's what's important. What are they doing with themselves? And the bottom line is, you guys, you can hear all the words you want from each other. Actions speak louder than words in any relationship. Look at someone's actions. Number one, their actions. What are they doing with themselves currently? So don't go on promises, because that's a bunch of bullshit. Go for what it is now. Bring somebody into your life that complements you. Not completes you, complements you. So very, very important. Again, if you want to live a better life, again, health, wealth, and happiness in your relationship, you have to follow a certain blueprint in life. And just like most anything in life, whether you want to accomplish your goals, career goals, business goals, entrepreneurship, a hobby, a sport, everything is about dedication, commitment. So it's about a blueprint that you follow. So make sure you guys be mindful and self-aware of what you're doing, and go out there and have some fun. Enjoy life. Life is short. I've said that in past videos. I subscribe to that. Take advantage of it, but be smart, work smart, navigate through relationships smartly, use your head, don't respond on your impulsive nature, and hook up and have some fun. So like, subscribe, and you guys have a great day. See you next time.